You're gonna roll, ain't ya? Ain't ya? Ain't ya? Ain't ya? Yep, 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 yep. And so did you! Why, yes, that is an Amazon van parked in the handicapped space. Thanks for asking. And yes, there are other spaces available. Thanks for asking. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. Don't run the red. You're on the red. You want to get off my ass, lady? It's St. Patrick's Day. I think it's time to take down the Christmas stuff. Left turn regret. Okay. And there's no left turn here. There's no left turn here. There's no left turn here. You're not supposed to take a left turn here, stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Left turn regret again. Mass hat, mass hole. Do you know where you're going this time? No, no, okay. Your third time the charm. Yep. Hello. How we doing? Why is rolling next to the left lane, stupid? There you go. No? Alright, make up your mind. Zig and zag and zig and zag and yeehaw! Woo, this is fun, isn't it? Yeah. Oh my god. A lane ballet here. Officer, pay attention to this side, will you? Yeah. Okay. Did you pass somebody, or you just did that for no freaking reason? Yeah, you did that for no freaking reason. Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Ex-Diver. Hi, there's somebody coming, you shithead. Yes! Fucking hit me, dude. Jesus Christ. Stop! Say a turd! Is there a reason why you need to park with your bed open? Other than, taking up more than one space. Stupid bitch! Looked right fucking at me! Just go ahead, New York, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Any of you gonna stop? Anybody gonna stop? Stop, camera, Jersey. Right lane must turn right. Why are you not turning right? Are you going straight from the right turn lane? Yes, you are. Honda. Why are you stopping now? What is your problem, you idiot? What? Honda! 40 car lengths, more than enough. Go! See? People are beeping at you. Go. Curd. Yeah, okay, yeah. Take two lanes, you fuckhead. Yeah, straight from the turn lane, pinhead. Toyotard. That's probably why he pulled out in front of you. Did you stop? I don't think you did, Toyotard. On a road. You don't see this in deepest dark. Fuck! New Hampshire. Oh, God. Okay, did you stop? Who knows? But, someone else is bound to not stop here because, things like that. Whatever. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm looking. There are cars coming. Thank you. Oh! Thank you. It was only my turn, you outie hole. In the corner, watching you get... That was a cutoff. That was a Toyota. Stop before you turn. No!